Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have with us two Kinder Joys and it is a collaboration with Hot Wheels. As you can see over here, we have two different cars today, but I don't know whether they will be actually inside. So we have to check that. And if you see, it's for sale in India only, no export intended. So it's specially for India only they are selling this. So let's see how it is from inside. As we see, like we get a toy every time when we open a Kinder Joy, there will be uh, some toy they will give. Okay, and like the chocolate and all those things will be there. But we'll eat that later. Let's see how they are from inside first. Okay, and from where should we start? I think from left side. Okay, let's open it and see what we get. We have to assemble the car. Actually, I have previously unboxed one Kinder Joy, and we have that unboxing video also on our channel. Let's see what is inside this. I think chocolate. Yeah, we'll eat it later. Let's keep it aside and open this one. Okay. It's a formula car only, but you can see on the pack it's mentioned something else, but we have got this one. So what they give is, I'll just open the full box. Okay, there will be some stickers and decals, so we have to paste that on the car. Oh, sorry. So this we have to paste all this in the car. It's like a mini ID thing, the Hot Wheels ID come, you can just scan it and play. So you can say it's a mini ID, or you can say the ID with less price. So I got this for around 50 rupees. If you see, yeah. Now let's try to assemble it actually and see how it works. I'll give you a closer look and we'll assemble it together. I know how it works actually. I had previously, I have this previously with me. So let's see, this will go here and this one will go somewhere around. This is the front side now. Okay, and this is the back side. Yeah, so we'll attach this first here. Then we'll attach that one. I think I'm wrong somewhere. I have to see the steps. Let's see it again. Okay. I think I have to press it hard a little bit over here. Yeah, that's all. Now it is in shape. It's a mini formula car. That's all, guys. I don't know the actual name of it, but yeah, it is. Let's put the decal, the sticker. Okay, I've got it out. We have to paste it on the front. Here we have to be very careful. So yeah, we will place this side first. And then we'll go that side. Just carefully placing it on border. Yeah. I think I placed it wrong. I have to start and see from here. A little bit down. And now it should be correct. Yeah, it's correct now. I think so. A little bit here and there, and it will be good to go. Yeah, let's see how it rolls. It doesn't roll actually. Little bit only it rolls. And we have assembled our first car. You can see this one, and it resembles it. We can just scan and play with it. I don't know, I've never used it, but we can. There is a game, I think so they have. Yeah. Now let's see the another one. We'll keep it aside and open the another Kinder Joy. We'll keep this aside. The chocolate balls. And open this one. Oh, I'm surprised. I don't know how, but if you see, they are mismatched or what. Like this car we have in this box, and that car we have in that box. You see their images over here. Where's the one? Yeah, images over here. We just opened this one and we got the formula car which is mentioned over this second one Kinder Joy. But if you see this car, the blue one, we have here in this pack. And let's assemble it. How it is from inside. Let's see the manual. We have very good decals over here. We'll try to assemble now. As you can see what we are going to assemble. Okay. This is a bit challenging because okay, this part went here. This have a lot of pieces, different pieces for each one. Okay, we'll try to fix it up by not looking the manual, and let's see if we are able to do it. This will go here. Yeah, correct. Then this one, this part, you can see two dots here, it will go here. But before that we need to place this part also. I may be wrong, yeah. We are placing it upside down, so let's try to fix it now. You can see engine detailing over here, open engine. So we'll just try to fix it now. This one is fixed. Now you have to put this one and it will be locked. So white one, that's it. Yeah, now it looks good. See, I'll just zoom in. Now it looks good. Now we'll place the decals. We have a lot of stickers over here. You're able to see Sned Dawn 25, Hotwheels 2023. I like this more rather than previous one. You see here also Hot Wheels written, Hot Wheels Racing 25. Now we'll try to do stick this one first. Okay. Let me check where we have to place it. Okay, on the back. This one will go on the back or this side. We can put it on the top. See the manual, man. Okay, we are placing it correctly only. Sorry for that disturbance, guys. I just hit my camera stand. And yeah, it's placed fully. Two opens up like this. Now we'll place it on front, this side. Carefully we'll place the sticker. Now we'll place this at the front. This will go here. Carefully we have placed it. Little bit here and there. I think I'm placing it right or not. I'm just doubting myself again and again. Not sure, guys. Let it be. We'll see afterwards. Okay. Two parts are done. Now the livery. Now we have to place the livery and not sure how it will go. on which side? I think so, like this. Yeah, this one is done. This side. Start from here and go up to this. Okay, and guys, the stand on looks good actually, better than this F1, and it rolls also good. It's the 360 look. This car, we have assembled 2 cars today. This look like some muscle car. I'm not aware of those cars, but like specifically this Kinder Joy cars. So they didn't mention anything about this car, so not sure. But the detailing are good actually, like we assembled it and they look good only. So what we have got, we'll just put it. We got this from this and this car from this pack. That's all guys, we'll meet in next video. Thanks for watching it.